4 positive benefits to trying new things. What does it mean to try something new? For some, it may mean learning a new sport. For others, it could be trying a new food. Whatever it means to you, the principle is the same for everyone. Trying new things opens your world, eyes, and heart to new possibilities, and that's a great thing. That's the overarching benefit of trying new things. But here are 4 other specific benefits. 1. Growth comes from new. When you step outside of your comfort zone and into the wilderness of the unknown, a crazy thing happens. You learn and grow as an individual. It may not always be easy or comfortable, but it certainly will expand your mind and make you aware of the possibilities life has to offer, whether that be something thematic, like your personality, or something smaller, like picking up a pair of rollerblades. 2. Courage boost. Courage is defined as the ability to do something that frightens you. Chances are you may be a little frightened by the idea of trying something new, and that's perfectly okay. It will boost your courage and gear you up with the confidence you need to tackle new things in the future. 3. Rid your life of boredom. Most people don't like to be bored. You may enjoy quiet time or relaxation breaks, but being bored is a totally different story. The good news is, it's pretty hard to be bored when you're always mixing up your life with new adventures and happenings. The next time you feel a twinge of tedium tugging at you, try something new. You'll be surprised at how quickly you'll get rid of the dull feeling. 4. Not only try, but enjoy. Trying something new doesn't mean a quick experiment and washing your hands of the adventure right afterward. Trying something new is a whole adventure. It should be enjoyed. Some things are hit or miss. You may not love everything you try, but you'll undoubtedly find some activities, people, or interests that you never knew you could enjoy. The next time someone invites you to do something a little different, you may want to consider saying yes. After all, the worst-case scenario is that you learn you don't like it. And that's not so bad, is it? Go for the gold. Try it out and see what you can learn about yourself.